Bwega sana kaire murithiri wa Meru TV tukoina mbere kwa twicokagira na turicokera kengo koina mbere kwa tukiruthaga kana tukiriragiria mara mekiritwo rito tundeni ya ngatheti na ngatheti ino kwira muthikiri na murithiri wakwa mbenda kumitumura twi nao agakenga utikauge hari araye na ngatheti athomerete na aramuji ngatheti ino ni kiumi kithiru indegete ndeto tainu ikiwetwo kairi Faminazi yale yaga tueneri na ngatheti riri ngatheti ya mwanka orongi ndienda kumikunurira kana mbenda gukunurira ukengo tukina mbere kwa tukirithagiria uthina mbere kwigua ukimenyaga uthina mbere kwigua ukimenyaga imbi yoyongwa tukuina mbere kwigua tukiaragiria. Karibu sana kaire murithiri wa Meru TV tuina mbere kwa tukimurika mara mekiritwo rito ndeni ya ngatheti ngatheti rende niyo njarani ndina ngatheti ya The Daily Nation ndina ngatheti ya The Daily Nation ndina ngatheti ya The Standard kinyeyo ere aho rayena ngono kathumba tu tukaina mbere kwigua twiciraithagiria chionde tuone imbi yo yethiri twikina mbere kwikiragirwa. Ngatheti ya Daily Nation ndukirirwe munthi rugono rwa rwikiritwo rito ni mburagano ira ciritwo ikina mbere kwikionekanaga ndeni ya ntugo 21 ikurukite ntugo 21 nkuruku ikwithiritwe gukionekana mburagano cia ekuru karibu 15 kuri 15 bethetwo bakina mbere kwa baki kuteyaga uturo bwago onto burende bwethetwo bakina mbere kwa bukeragirwa karatatini gatuna na kinya karatati gatutano karatati kamugwanja tukethia rugono rwa Public Service Cabinet Secretary Justin Muturi ora muthenya wa Jumaine athia na mbere kwigwikirira muchemanio wa mawaziri ora wathia na mbere kwigwa ogechawa ni President William Ruto na aranteche Kakamega has not been to his ministry office for the past 10 days and report he was no longer welcome at State House na arende akwerekana wantu 10 kurukite ataga na kwina mbere kwa kionekana gobichini yake akirwa ati itaka onyanya bwake na thirikari bwethiritwe bukithira niririkanwa ati kana ngukurikania tu kidogo murithiri wa Meru TV ati Muturi ntuinkurukuagu na thie na mbere kwigua kiaragiria mantu makwabdato kwa muthaka wake na arathie na mbere kwigua kiuga Rais Ruto itaka ari na njara ndeni ya ndeto no yithiritwe kina mbere kwikiendelea athiguruni yetu ya Kenya na untu bubu bukina mbere kwa bukionekana kuthiria urugubu wake nwe na thirikari ndeto ino ciandikirito karatatini kama wanja ndeni ya ngatheti ino murithiri wa Meru TV. Prove 150 million bonus Ruto give keen farmers, Kalonzo charge. Kalonzo nwene thirito kina mbere kwa kiaragiria mantu mathirikari ya Ruto munokiri mantu makona bonus ya 150 million bonus ira Ruto athie na mbere kwa kinekanagira kiri aremi ba sugarcane na ruga ya kimonimoni niyo yetawa kiuwa sugarcane na ruga ya kimonimoni yetawa kiuwa na baraba meta muno bagita sankamureo niyo yetawa sankamureo ntikomenya karatati ngatwere rugono rwanku na ruga ndekiretwa cartel get 135 years in jail for killing of 4 grannies. Whoa. Amos Nyakundi and Chris Finogeto appears in Kisii Court in 2021 along with 2 others. They were sentenced for the murder of 4 women. Kwena antubaba lingetwa mbicha agao they were found guilty of murdering the elderly woman on witchcraft claims baraba kwerekana ibathia na mbere kwigwa bakiruthagata bakiuragaga antubakuru baraba thia na mbere kwigwa bakiugaga ni arogi. 4 villagers including a father and his son have been sentenced to a total of 135 years in prison. Nita kuwe kibungo kia maisha runtwene mianka ya kanari 35 reshuari. Mianka 135 ikuwe kibungo kia maisha. Beda yoto wakina mbele kwa kibungo kia maisha. Kia mianka ya kanari 35 na aranchera nuntu wako inambele kwa wakidhirwa na magocha makuraga bachuchu bana. kurubana bakuru na aranterechia Marani, Kisii County. Amos Nyakundi Ondieki orawiyikena monota Sunku, Evans Ogeto Akali and Esbon Ongondi Gichana each received 40 years sentences, while Crispin Mokwaro, Mr. Ondieki son, was sentenced to 15 years. Baadhi nambere kwa bakinga gora mianka mirongo ena okay kulingana na yonde ikaya mianka kulingana na yonde kaya mianka 135 anyway anako mimbi yekondekia yekondekia ni manto mambura nkuona bathite na mbere kwa bathurite agago nuntu bwa untu bobo na bakithoro ogu baitha nuntu mbere mantu babaririkana na arogi na bakuraga arogi baba kwirikana bakwingiro igo gutumbe kugeni turingiro ikinuntu indi na arogi gatugetera maba irugono ruria muraithiria achecha bari bakaina mbere kwigwa bakiuragwa biuria among 5 to be quizzed of a mall activist to Manda kwina achecha bari kire batano bakaina mbere kwa bakiuragwa biuria bikone ni nambi bikone ni na giku kia activist urawana arantere chemor. We urge the public to remain calm and refrain from speculating about the case. Rest assured the killer will be tracked down and arrested. Kodikana bakaina mbere kwa bakiwa atekanaga na bakalukiru matagari makiwatho karatati ni gatuna no mantu makona mburagano chia kuru ithiete na mbere kwa kiaragirua na arendi ntuwinu kurukite kana mwanko oyo wake antu 15 berethito bakina mbere kwegwa bakiora ntu 40 mwake ikurukite kuru 15 mbethito bakina mbere kwegwa bakiora gawa karatati ni gatutano. Kenya Bank Executive Manda in Ladan. Kenyan Bank Executive murdered in London, mo bank umwe Kenyan Bank Executive nethire tokinambere kwa kioragirwa na arante London arikanata a Nairobi court has granted police 21 days to detain John Kiama Wambua to 9 who is accused of brutally murdering and dismembering his wife Joy Frinda Munani just 3 weeks into their marriage, where Wambua, a carpenter, was arrested on January 20th near Kili Towers in Huruma during a routine police patrol. Officers stopped him after noticing his nervous behavior and heavy backup, which upon inspection revealed mutilated human remains. Nairobi court ni thire tukinambere kwigwa igitigira borichi koinambere kwigwa ingagiria John Kiama ntuku 21 urakwirikana kuraga mwendo wake Kiama urakwirikana kuraga mwendo wake na njira ya kumugita ngato chunche urane Joy Frinda Munani byombi bithatu wake nyuma ya bakubura na itumukai itu tuwe ithatu wake byombi bithatu wake nyuma ya bakurana mbichi ino ka kwa nroni mbichi ino muthenya wa ngoro irari rugono rwa kurikithia methori na ara nchambeno ikurekana kugitanga mwakuru wake tuchunje. The suspect allegedly confessed on the spot, leading police to a single room house in the Casanova area where additional body part and a blunt soaked knife were recovered. Investigators described the scene as Herodias. Askari bathie nambere kwa bakithi ngatana mtu murume mwanka wake na ara bathie nambere kwa bakithagira matigari ma mwiri wa kana ichunje bingi bya mwiri birabi atigere nyuma ya mtu murume uyu akuraga mwekuru wake. Police in the United Kingdom have launched a manhunt after a Kenyan banking executive was found brutally dead at her home. Maureen Kilonzi, 43, was found dead from blunt force trauma after neighbors heard screams from a flat which was reportedly locked from the inside on Friday last night. Oyunwe ni muruti wira wa banki mwenara nthiguruni ya London na ethiritwo akinambira kwigua kithirwa kwite nara aturi bethetwo bakiuga begirwe gituma njuma woro nyombani yake nara bakikuye kurugura bethira yingitwe na nandeni. KDF man's bullet killed mother of 3 ya kwina KDF ino ethiritwo akinambira kwigua kigera muchinka na njira ya kiorera na inambira kwekiuraga mwekuru oya okongina wa ana Bathato family. Albert photo of Mary Teresa who was hit by stray bullet in Likoni, Mombasa. Detonaya the nambera kwa kiumagira na arantere che Likoni, Mombasa. Karatati ni kama uwanja, Stephen Muturi speaks after skipping cabinet meeting. Public Service Cabinet Secretary Justin Muturi, who on Tuesday skipped a cabinet meeting chaired by President William Ruto in Kakamega, has not been in his ministry office for the past 10 days, the national established. Muturi kuririkana wantu 10 ndia tionetwo bichini yake na arathie nambere kwa kithungutha muchemanio wa mawaziri urawetetwo ni raisi na Anteche Kakamega. Mr. Muturi kairi nathie nambere kwigua akiathogea swearing in during the swearing in of the Public Servant Commissioners the Kenyatta International Convention Center KICC on Monday, although PEC is an independent commission, it falls under his ministry. Nathie nambere kwigua akia thigiki wadaga kwerekana ndi ma PS bando kinyamo bali nambere kwigua bakiweyaga ndeni ya ministry ino yake kuringana na kanyeni muntu nara garoni ya raisi na kuma kire ministry no muthenya wa gori kathie nambere kwa kiumbura na kuate Mr. Muturi ataga na gukinya ndeni ya obichi yake nyuma yake ko inambere kwigua kirutaga press conference kana kera kiriande kibandeto kuma tariki 12 arathie nambere kwa kimenageria thirikari nontu kwa yire na njara ndeni ya abduction ya mwana wake ndeto inuchio ndechiareretu aga umurithiri wa Meru TV. Stephen Muturi yesterday told the nation that he has not been discharging his duties even without going to the office. He said there are no pending documents in his office that require his signature. On Tuesday, the cabinet approved in a service training program in the public service. Muturi said he is not one who signed and created the memo before it was tabled for discussion by the cabinet at the Kakamega State House. Mr. Muturi said he is the one who signed and created the memo before it was tabled for discussion. Muturi aduga nathie nambere kwa kebu magiri muthenya wagoro na kueleza kana na kuuga ati kinyoka kwegwa ationekanite obichini yake bado no akuruta ngwe yake atari obichini wogo akiwa gutie no ntu boge tumbi no bokumwenda obichini yake na akiuga bora bokumwenda na kuinambere kwegwa kinga gikogu we bado ali ngugini kinyoka kwegwa ati kuonekana obichini bado ali ngugini. Ilianza tochia why reform team is unhappy with Ruto Uhuru. Ndete chia Ruto Uhuru iliaga chiandikitwa murithiri wa Meru TV kinyecho nda kuromba ukaumagaruka ukagura ngatheti ino ukainambere kwegua ukiguraga ngatheti ino na ikainambere kwegua iyutethagiria murithiria wa Meru TV. Isiolo residents complain of neglect as wildfire rages ya mwanki nwethire toki nambere kwegua na arantere chi Isiolo ukithina nambere kwegua ukionekana gutwika mpanga inene ontu burende akariba gontu kubethete bakinambere kwegua bakiuga thirikari ni kubatara kuinambere kweke wajibika kire mantu mama maria mantu kathumba tu bursaries low Mombasa resident sio Nyakango mantu makona bursary imarire tu agauna ara Nyakango control of budget ethetwo akinambere kwegua kithitangawa nontu bwa kuuga ati county batie na inya ya kuinambere kwa bakinenkanagira mbio kunenkanira basari ino manto kananda chikoni na county ndeni ngatheti no muraithiri wa Meru TV na kinya manto makona na kwimenyera tio twingwa na manto mangu kathumba tu maramethetu makina mbere kwigwa makiandikagirwa ndeni ya ngatheti no manto make biashara bado mari ndeni ya ngatheti ino na ngweteia wa magaruka wa ina mbere kugura ngatheti yaku ukaina mbere kwigwa ukibonagira ndeti ira cionde ciethire tukiandikagirwa ngatheti ya The Standard kijeni ndeto watairu muraithiri ciandikiritwe kogu ndenda umagaruka uthina mbere kugura ngatheti yaku na ikengo kegwa ukimenyaga imbio yongwa yekiritwe ndeni ya ngatheti ino muraithiria mwende agatu nambere kwa twetigagira ngatheti cietu agurukira uria munthi ukambetigire mbethero nkiuma kidogo kengo ngicokera mugeni wetu turaithiria mantu makonenie na mbio tukaina mbere kwa tukirithagiria mantu makonenie na mbeumbili muno arabethiritwe akina mbere kwa bakionekana gutiwe ngwero nyuma kire mantu makonenie na maendeleo kwogu utikaikura ni ukawetha mbetera ni famina zo Kimathi nguchokera nyuma ya kagita gatari kuraya. Good morning.
Nwethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ija kuimba nyomba yaku na style ile kwenda Duralong Mabati Factory Limited turi aje ni ondobu waku nitwendagia mabati ja rangi mwanya na ja mithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana Corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magori ja kuguna mukojo waku.